Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today I'm going to do a review on one of my very favorite smartphones that I used to use some 9 years ago. Okay, and the name of the phone is it's from the brand called Nokia, and the name of the phone is Nokia 701. I did purchase this phone when Nokia was during its very peak times. Okay, and uh, it is to run on Symbian Valley operating system. By that time, Nokia did not integrate with Android like Samsung did, and Nokia used to be very robust and good in terms of hardware, software, and overall in terms of efficiency and everything. And I purchased this phone in the year 2011. I remember it was December, and I did purchase this phone, and I'm going to show you this phone. It's 2020 now, and still it works somewhat, but see, this is the phone. Okay. Let me show you. This is the smartphone. Okay, it's Nokia 701. Okay, let me reduce the glare. It's coming on the screen. Okay. Okay, so that is a smartphone. See, you have see Nokia written there. Nokia. You can see Nokia written. Okay, I think it's not that clear in the screen. Okay, let me tap. And here you have Nokia. Okay, here you have the Nokia 701. I think it's not clear on the screen, but you see here, you can see ये फोकस नहीं हो रहा है अभी, ठीक है ना. तो ये नोकिया है, ये आप देख सकते हो नोकिया है. ओके, नोकिया, इस नोकिया, and here you have, it is actually 701. Okay, and it's still, it's still running. The only thing is that I gave it to my dad. Okay, and he doesn't use smartphones too much, and just after many years, just this key broke off. Okay, and some of the buttons became loose. Okay, and the screen, it just fell down once from his hand, and the screen, there are some lines coming on the screen, that's all. But the touch response is very smooth, even better than these phones. By the way, what is the cost? With what amount did I purchase this one? It was 17,990 rupees during 2011. Okay, and I have this camera, the rear camera, which you see here, is an 8 megapixel camera. Okay, it comes in f2.8 by 4.3 aperture. Okay, it has dual xenon flash. Okay, and the front megapixel is just, I think, 2 megapixels, maybe less, I may be wrong here. Okay, so I wanted to show you this smooth smartphone, and by that time it is a 3G smartphone. So it is a 3G smartphone. It is a complete 3G smartphone. Okay. Okay, let me show you what is in the settings. Okay, so let me go here, and let me go to the settings menu. Okay, just hold on. So this is the settings. Okay, and in the settings you have a number of options, or you have profiles, themes, phone installations, and everything. Whatever you want is there in the settings. Okay, let me show you. uh, it's a very nostalgic phone. It's still, due to the, very good hardware and software combination, ये अभी तक चल रहा है. It's not like these nowadays, those kind of smartphones where, you use after 1 2 years and then it, if you throw away. It's not like that. Okay, its touch quality and everything is very smooth, except for some, some problems, because it fell down from the hand of my father. So let me show you phone, and let me go to phone management. Okay, and you see about, here you can see it states clearly it's 701. Okay, it's 701. I think the glare on the screen is causing problems, but I think okay, let me read down. Okay, it's 701, and the device manager, it states that it is featuring, you see, it is featuring Okay, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, it is featuring Nokia Bally Future Pack 2 software, and that was released in the year 30th of August 2012. So I did update there, I remember, and the latest update came on 10th October 2012. Okay, so that is the best thing about this phone. And let me test the camera, by the way. It is containing 8 megapixel rear camera. I'll just test the rear camera. Okay, let me test the rear camera. Okay, so let me go to the camera. So this is the camera. So this is the camera interface, as you can see. Okay, this is the shooting button, and this is the audio video button. This is the camera and the video button, and this is the scenes. You can detect various kinds of scenes. Okay, and there you have the automatic, the creative, and the scenery mode. So let me just take a shot. Okay, say I have this pen. Okay, and I have to take this shot. Okay, let me just take a shot of this pen. So let me take a shot of this pen right now here. So let me take a shot of this pen, and here you see, let me take a shot. So let me take a shot of this pen here. Okay, let me. So शॉट ले लिया है अभी. अब उसको जाके देखते हैं गैलरी पे. सो गैलरी पे चले जाऊंगा, और सो these are the, just a minute. So these are the various photos that I have taken over the past years with using the smartphone. And believe me, when you zoom in the photos, it doesn't, it doesn't you don't get noise. That is the best part. Okay, nowadays in order to get better camera quality, you have to pay more and more, and even smartphones which are near about 20,000 K mark, they don't give that kind of performance as this phone in some 10 years ago, in the year 2011 gave me. 2011-12. I have been using this phone continuously for 2 years, like 2011-12, and then I switched on to other smartphones. Okay, see, and the best part is this, it doesn't break down. It is just seem very efficient. The design is nice. See, this is the fan which I took. Okay, second thing is the battery is also somewhat good, because it has been so many years, and I've been not using. And last thing is the audio quality. Okay, let me see if it works or not. It is stereo speakers. Okay, stereo speakers here and there are both speakers. So you can see, you can imagine how good is this smartphone. Okay, so that is really a very one of the best smartphone that I can I have right now, which I used to use once upon a time. So that was a very brief review of the smartphone. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.